Hi, my name is Blake, and I'm with Designer Stone Panels, and I'm here to answer the question on what would be the difference between putting full stone or stone tiles, as you see down here. So the obvious thing is when you look at these stone tiles, which everybody knows, you've got a lot of grout to deal with. Grout gets dirty, it's hard to maintain, hard to take care of. Let me go on to the natural beauty of this stone. If you just see as we're scaling up here, you've got natural stone in a full panel. Imagine no grout. Imagine a backing in here where, like any natural stone that you would have to seal, but once you seal it, you never have to worry about water getting through the stone, even, no matter how porous this material is. So imagine the natural beauty of stone in a shower, without the grout, without all the maintenance, without all the care. It really speaks for itself. So again, contact us at designerstonepanels.com for more information on how you can take this beauty and put it into your shower.